It's not as crowded as crowded as high school.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene of
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new vlog after a really long time. I just didn't vlog for a very long time because I don't know, I didn't feel like vlogging. Plus every time I pick up the camera and look at myself when I'm vlogging, I just stammer a lot and I can't talk, so I just stopped vlogging. But today my friend is here from Bangalore and she's staying with me for 2 days. So I thought, why not, let's just vlog. This is my friend Shobha. She's my friend from when I was studying interior designing in Chennai. And this is the second time she's coming to my house, I think. Second time. Yeah, so she's just come here. Last time she came with her husband and she just came for 1 day. So we didn't have much time to catch up. This time she's come for 2 days and alone. So we're just like chilling and having fun. And she was like, why don't you vlog? It's been so long since you vlogged. So I thought, okay, let me try. We'll anyway have plans. We'll go out, do some nonsense. Because yesterday afternoon she reached, and from the time she reached, we've been doing so much nonsense, but I didn't vlog. We had our breakfast and everything. It's 12 o'clock right now. We're just watching TV because we didn't have any plans, and my friend said, let's go somewhere. And I know a shop nearby which has a lot of art supplies, and she's very good at art. She does like really good painting and all that. So she was like, let's just go window shop and all that. So that's what we're doing. Let's go. Summa, we thought we'll time pass there. They were like, we need to go to prayer, so that they literally threw us out. So we've just come to time pass at Grace Supermarket, which is nearby my place. So we got back home, took a small nap, had my lunch, and we're watching a movie now. I'm watching Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. We are watching Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. I actually watched this movie in the theater when it released and I absolutely loved it. So I'm making my friend also watch this movie.
दोनों हार में दिखा जाते हैं रिश्तों की तरह
It's 7:10 right now. We are going for a movie. We're going for this movie called Yari. Apparently it's a real story and it's this Yari. Vari.
மாலை
Yari illa Yari.
யாழையா மூவி பேரு வாழை தானே
Okay, Vari or Yari. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Please don't cancel me. But apparently it's a true story and people are saying it's the story of the director. It's a Tamil movie, by the way. I don't know. We're just going for that movie. It's at 7:30 and it's nearby only. And anyway, even if the movie's at 7:30, they put ads for like 20 minutes. So even if we are late, there's no worries only. So yep, we're going for a movie. And people are also saying that it's a very emotional movie. I hope I'm not cutting onions there.
ஏதோ தெரியாம பண்ணிட்டேன் மன்னிச்சுக்கோ நல்ல வேலை சுந்தரத்தை செத்ததுனால இந்த வாரம் சனி ஞாயிறு காய்ச்சமுக்கு போகாம தப்பிச்சோம்.
Hello. The movie got over, but it's raining outside, so we're just sitting here because we came by bike. We did not actually like the movie very much. I mean, it's a nice movie. It's just very slow for me to sit through the movie and watch. I was just getting so bored and my head was aching. So yeah, it is a nice movie if you have the bandwidth to sit through a slow movie and watch, then you can. I just don't have the bandwidth to sit through a slow movie. I like fast movie, like suspense and thrill and all of that. So yeah, not for me. My head is aching. I just want to go home and sleep. It's 11:15 and we just got home. The rain did not seem to stop. So my friend and I, we took an auto and we got home, and Sean came in the bike because he had a raincoat, so he just came off. If we had come by bike, then we would get completely drenched, and it was getting late also. We were tired and sleepy. So we just took an auto. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my skincare and go to sleep. Today has felt like such a long day. I just can't. I need to go sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, good morning. Last night I slept off without having dinner because we had a lot of popcorn and I wasn't feeling hungry. So I didn't eat anything because I wasn't hungry. But morning when I woke up, I was feeling very weak because I didn't eat anything. So I just woke up before some time. Also, I was very, very, very tired and my head was aching a little bit. So I was super tired. So I just woke up like at 10:30, 11ish. And that too, my cats were being such a nuisance, especially today. They didn't let me sleep only, but somehow I tried to sleep with the noise. But anyway, I just had my breakfast before some time. I forgot to vlog. And then my friend reminded that you didn't vlog this morning. So yeah, here's the vlog, but I already had my breakfast. So we're just watching a movie. Yesterday we were watching this movie called Parking. And we're just continuing that again. I think my friend and I are on a movie marathon. We're just watching movie and movie and movie. Next to next. Sean called me before some time and he was like, there is sale in West Side, why don't you go check it out? And I was like, I recently got a lot of top, so there's nothing I want, so I don't want to go. And he's like, no, there's buy one get one, and also like 50% or more than that something sale, so go check it out, see if you like something. If you don't like, you just come back. So my friend and I, we just got ready and we are going to VR Mall, which is nearby, to just go check out if we like something. If not, we'll just roam around in the mall and then we will just come back. Can't believe there's a time like this where I am saying no to shopping, but I'm just like, I don't want to spend too much money because I recently only got a few stuffs. So I'm like, no, I don't want to spend money. But yeah, can't believe that it's me who's saying I don't want to go shop, I don't want to spend money. But here we are. Adulthood is doing me not so good. I don't like it. I hate coming to the malls during the weekend. It's just so fucking crowded. But luckily, I think because we're early, it's not as crowded as it is usually. So I think it's a good thing for me. We're just walking to West Side now. Hi, Sudhir.
Hi.
We're just going to West Side now. I actually have no plans of buying, but I've always noticed that every time I don't want to buy something, I like everything. And when I want to buy something, I don't like anything. So let's see if the gods are on my side, we'll like something and we'll buy. Or if they're not on my side, we'll not buy anything. We're just gonna go home. Again, back to home. Not bad. There's comparatively lesser crowd. Hello, I'm in the trial room right now. They've only allowed 5 pieces for now, so I'm just gonna try this out. I did not like anything that much. They're like okay, so I'm just trying and seeing if I like anything. I'm just trying to talk softly so people outside can't hear. The first one, it's a little loose. Some look like it's tight. It's cute. This is the second one. Like immediately no, but I mean on camera it's looking good, but in real, like in person, I don't like it at all. I don't think I'll ever wear it, but it's also like 2 pockets are not too good. I'm confused, but this looks perfectly. Fitting is perfect. This is the next one. It's very big for me. This is how it looks like if it's altered. It's so pretty, but it's so big. I don't know if I can alter this, but it's so pretty. This is the skirt. So cute. So cute. But again, it's slightly loose. But it's so cute. Like immediately, it looks like a nightie. And if you wear it all time, it still looks like a nightie. I mean, I like it, but it's too big. Like, too damn big. So I'm a little confused. Again, love it, but too big. It's L. So like, I don't know, I can't even alter. Like, it's so big. How do I get it altered? So I got 2 top and 2 footwear, which is buy one get one. I wanted to get one more sweater, the blue one, but I didn't because it's too damn big, and I don't know, I just didn't feel like getting. I shopped after so long, I can't even remember, like after probably many years. I've been shopping only online for the past so many years, since the time of my college, I think. So yeah, I don't enjoy shopping in store that much. Even now, I mean, I'm happy I got, but it's not like so exciting for me. When I get stuffs online, I get really excited. Like, that excitement is just next level. So yeah, I'm happy, but if this was online, I would have been like way more happier. So yeah, happy shopping to me. So we just got home. Hi, we just got home. We are making lunch for us. Actually, we thought of having at the mall, but then we already told my maid to prep for the lunch. So then it will go for waste, because evening also we are going for dinner. So we're just making besan chilas. Normally my cook will make it, but today I wanted to try this hot. So we're just making the chilas now, and my friend is also helping me out. This one has besan, water, tomato, capsicum, and the thing that you see white, that's tofu. Actually, you're supposed to use paneer, or you can use tofu also. I didn't have paneer, I had tofu, so I used tofu. You can add onion as well, but I don't like cooked onion, so I just used capsicum and tomatoes, and then we put red chili powder and salt. Successfully failed. Hey, not bad. Yeah. Look at this one and look at this one. Woohoo! Call me a chef and don't talk to me. We put a little bit of cheese on top. Apparently, if we hadn't put cheese, this is also called vegan omelette. It looks like omelette, so but we put cheese, so it's not vegan, but it's like omelette, vegetarian omelette. We don't like egg. You know what I mean? At this point, I'm just blabbering. Don't even listen to me. Breakfast, dinner, not for lunch, no? Hello, we made a sudden plan to go to Korean food because my friend said she wants to try Korean food. I've raved about Korean food so much to her. So she's like, take me to Korean food, and I'm like, yeah, of course. I can never say no to Korean food. So we're going now. We are not going to the usual place that we go because she does not like tofu, and the usual place that we go, we always order sundubu jjigae, which is silk and tofu soup. We're ordering bibimbap, which is the mixed rice thing, which is nice. Over on this side, there was one new Korean restaurant opened, which is on this side of our house. There, bibimbap is really nice. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top, this jeans, and my new shoes that I got from West Side, and my new earring that I got from West Side. It was so funny. The moment I held the door and went to push, the lights went off, and we just got the power back for like 5-10 minutes. There was no power. It was so funny. By the way, I love my new earring. It's so stunning. It's so heavy, and you can feel the quality. Like, it's such good quality, like heavy metal quality. Love it. This is a sushi. It's full of fried something on top, so it's not seen. Hi guys, good morning. I completely forgot to vlog yesterday. It was a Sunday basically, but I didn't do anything. My friend left yesterday morning, and I was just rotting at home. Sean had gone to his friend's house for like lunch. They had invited him and his like teammates and other friends, so they all went there for lunch, and I was just at home rotting. So it didn't even cross my mind to vlog. So yeah, today another friend of mine is coming, and I'm really excited to meet her. I'm just making breakfast for myself because my cook is on leave today, and I think my friend will be here post lunch. I'm not sure, but yeah, not much plans today. I just have to shoot a couple of videos, and then I'm just gonna sit and yap with her. So this is not kind of the ideal breakfast I wish to have. I like to have idli, dosa, pongal, all of that, or some Marwadi breakfast like ghat or thulli or something like that. I don't even know if you guys know that. But that's the kind of ideal breakfast I like to have, but because my cook is not here and I'm too lazy to make anything. Like if I make idli, I have to make chutney. I'm just lazy to do all that. Plus I have bread. Sean got this bread like a few days back and it's been lying here, so I thought I'll just finish this. So yeah. Kept some rice for lunch. I think I have a little bit of curd left, so I'll just have curd rice for lunch, and if that curd is not there, then probably I'll have to make a little bit of dal for myself. I have a couple of shoots that I need to do. So I just have some admin work that I'm gonna take care of. By the way, not sponsored. This Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm is the best lip balm ever. Like, I had so much pigmentation around my lips. The edges of my lips had gone extremely dark, and I also had like a dark line here which was looking so bad. I've been consistently using this lip balm. This was actually given to me by my friend. I got some blisters here. I don't know if you guys have seen my old vlogs, like a couple of months back, maybe this time last year or October, November-ish, I had some blister here, and then that got healed and I had blisters over here. So my friend gave this lip balm to me and she said, use this, maybe this might help, because this has SPF and it has ceramides which will, you know, help in healing your lips. And I've been using this and it's mind-blowing how this is such an amazing lip balm. And this is also tinted, so there's like a slight pink tint on my lips. They also have one that is non-tinted, so if you want that one, you can go buy that as well. You must be wondering why I'm sitting in my home outfit with this much makeup. I just shot some videos for Instagram, but I completely forgot to vlog that part because I was just busy shooting it and I wanted to wrap it up really quickly because my friend is coming who's already come now. So I forgot to shoot. I forgot to vlog it. I even cleaned my room already, which also I forgot to vlog. So yeah, that's that. And I'm just gonna sit and yap with my friend now. Hello, good evening. My friend and I are making pav bhaji for dinner. I've just kept potatoes for boiling. I'm gonna prep the other stuff, cut the veggies and all of that. And yeah, I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm trying on making pav bhaji. I hope it turns out well. Hello. Correct. You can give the ball something. Hello, the pav bhaji masala is almost ready. It's just that I made it extremely spicy. I put so much of red chili, so it's so spicy. So we've kept potatoes for boiling so that we can add more potatoes, so you know the spice might get reduced. So we're just waiting for the potatoes. Okay. Is how our dinner looks like. It looks so good and so amazing. It's just that the pav bhaji, the bhaji is slightly spicy, but I hope we are able to eat. But this is, wow, this looks so good. Nice.
You want your text and you go to that. Just told me to enjoy as much as possible.
A loafing paneer chipper hai.
Sometimes we can
The
a little bit
goose.
how the session goes, and and sometimes he just give me some advice. It's like you said yesterday.
Good morning, my friend and I, we have come to Decathlon or Decathlon, whatever that is called. We've just come here to window shop, or if we like something we might just shop.
Come on, Ashmita, come on. கீழே குனிஞ்சி பண்ணு.
I don't even know how to do that. Is it like this or is it like this? It's too heavy for me.
அது ஒன்னு கேட்ச் போட்ற போகுது. போதும் போதும் போதும்
ஐயோ
பேப்பர் வெயிட்
ஒன்னதான் இருக்கு. வேர்க்குது உள்ள,
இங்கே வா காற்று வருது
கை உள்ள
அதுக்குள் உள்ளார ஃபேன் வச்சு வாங்கிக்கலாம். இப்போ நீ வெங்காயம் கட் பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம்.
Black is nice. Fancy. Wow, nice bedroom. I like it.
There's a bed also. பத்துக்கோ. You have to give content bro. இந்தா இதை போட்டுக்கோ.
இப்பதான் குட்டி போட்டேன்.
இல்லை அதை போட்டு.
This is too big for my face.
I took some pictures. இது
Hi
thumbnail.
friends. So இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are going to Pacific Ocean and we're going to see a lot of fishes there in our bathrobe. No swimming suit because we're broke. There is no opponent. Hey, what yeah? Not going yeah. Hey, she's not coming down.
She will come.
Hello, we've come to ITC Grand Chola for lunch with our friends. So yeah, I'm coming here for lunch after so many years. I came once when I was in college and then I came here for a So this is where we've come. It's called Peshawari and it's like a North Indian restaurant. Yeah. So hi guys, it's 2 days later. I think last when I spoke to you guys, I mentioned that I was going to ITC with my friends for lunch. But after that, I don't remember catching up because we were so tired after we got home because there was a lot of traveling. So I just got really tired and I just came home and rested for the rest of the day. Sean and I both. Yeah, yesterday I didn't do much. Today one of my other friends has come. She's actually working. She's inside the room and she's working. She's in a meeting or something and I'm just sitting outside so I can vlog. I don't have much plans today and I need to quickly edit this vlog and put it up. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog here and go sit and edit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.